Come and get it.
Hey guys, it's RJ Stealth. Don't let the bike scare you. I finished my oil change and I am now going to be doing the coolant change and coolant flush. So the reason my bike looks like this is because I'm actually doing a few extra things in the process. For the most part, when you go to do this, a lot of times you're going to remove like the top and lower fairings. You're going to basically remove all the side fairings. On some models, you have to remove the tail fairing because that's where the coolant reserve is. Mine's right here, and then my radiator cap is right there, and then the drain plug is right here. All right, you need an oil pan or drain pan of various tools that you need to strip your bike down or however you need to do it. So this is very, very simple. I will have cuts in this because I'm not gonna have you guys stare at draining fluid. So another thing too is I'm going to mention this is a disclaimer. I am not a technician. I am just doing this in my driveway. This is how I learned how to do it. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to loosen this. Oh, if I had the right socket on there. It should drip some. As you guys can see, it is right there. Careful with this stuff. It is like deadly. Don't go drinking it because you think it's a purple drink or whatever, some green Kool-Aid. And don't let your animals get to it. So if you do get some in your driveway, please be careful and cautious of that. Put your bolt to the side. And here's where it gets kind of tricky. On other models, it's pretty cool because the drain plug and the radiator cap are on the same side. When you go to remove the radiator cap, it's just going to go spewing out. All right? You can see it's already dripping a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this away a bit. I will get a bunch of paper towels over here. Now I'm going to remove the radiator cap. As you guys can see, that did make quite a mess, and I was trying to fight with it on the other side. I don't think I did half a bad job myself. Get a funnel, stick a funnel in there like such, and since it's kind of a interesting little nook, get some of my distilled water, and I will just simply pour it just a little bit, because here's the thing, it's going to go all the way through, and I don't want it spewing out the other side, and I'm spilling it all over the place, which is awesome. Alright, now my method I do this is I pour about a half gallon of distilled water through the whole system, and then I fill her up with distilled water, or I put the screw back in or the bolt back in, fill her up with distilled water. I also fill my reserve up with distilled water. I let it run to about 170 to 180 temp wise, shut her off, let her cool down a little bit, drain her again like I just showed you guys, run another half gallon distilled water through, and then I do that whole procedure, you know, about 2-3 times. So then after I run another half gallon, I will bolt her back up. You want to do that essentially till you have no more green, blue, red, whatever your coolant color is. You want to have no more of that color running out. You just want clean distilled water coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera here while I continue to do that, and I will get back with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm another little segment here. You guys should see how it's coming out pretty clear. Still a little bit of green in there, but it's still coming out pretty clear. So I will keep adding more water to flush it. So I see her running clear. How I empty my reserve. I will be apologizing again for the shaky camera, guys. What I winded up doing was simply sticking one end in all the way, like I said. If I can get it in the hole, haha. All the way down there. I take the other and I kind of put it between my knees, aim it towards the thing, or my pan. Why do I keep saying thing? I know what it is. Just pump out. Now it's all coming out clear. Now you want to go smooth because you don't want this stuff sloshing everything everywhere. Place a funnel in, and then I can take the water. Pour it in, and then I just eyeball it. Where I'm at my high mark, I simply just pour water in. Just keep an eye on it. Watch it as need be. Pretty soon it's going to overflow. Pretty soon you're going to see the overflow out of that, out of your radiator. Once it overflows out of the radiator, just like such. Give it a minute. It's gonna. Some people say you can burp your line. Add some more in there. Just keep on adding some. There it is. Burp your line a little bit. I've done this every time. Now what I do here is start my bike, give her a little bit of throttle, about 3 clicks of throttle, and I just add water as need be till it overflows again. Now I can see she needs more water. Now from there, I turn her off. As you go over, you can see, possibly, there's water topped up right there. Now what I do is I simply just take out the hose right here, put my radiator cap back on, tighten her up. Now I let the bike run to temp. She's running clear, so it's all good. So what I'm going to do now is once she's finished drip draining and all that stuff, I'm going to go ahead and put that bolt back in, tighten it down to torque. As you guys can see, you stick it on there, screw it in there. Get my ratchet. One little twist here. Boom. Alright, that's on there. That's not green Kool-Aid. That is the water. What I simply did, I saved those distilled waters, the distilled water gallons, and I went ahead and put a funnel in. I dumped the fluid into that. That way I can tape the top, put a caution sticker on it or whatever, throw it in the back of my truck, and take that along with the oil that I've collected, and get rid of it in the proper fashion. Very carefully. Build her to where she needs to be. You can see the blue on camera, kinda. Just fill it up. Spill out a little bit. That's okay. Now, like I said, what you can do here is you can pump. You can not pump. You can bleed. You can burp your line. So you just give it a couple pumps like that, and as you notice, it pretty much did go down a bit. Add some more in there. There you go. Fill it up. Burp the lines a little bit again. Fill her up again like that. Keep on going. Okay, burp the lines a bit more. Just like that. Very easy. Now that one is empty, I will add more. Pop my top on it. Add some more. Alright, so you can kind of see it bounce up there. Now what you do is you start the bike, and what's going to happen is, you probably won't hear me, but you're going to see it's already starting to drop a bit. I'm going to start the bike, and I'm going to give it some throttle, and you're going to see it drop. It's already dropping some. And I didn't even start the bike. Add a little bit more. When I give it some throttle, you're going to see it drop some, and I'll add a bit more. Alright? Alright, turn the bike off. Take out your hose. Now my hose actually did leak. I'm going to top it off a little bit because my hose took up a little bit of space. Top it off like such. Now I'm going to grab my radiator cap. Push this up. Radiator cap on, push my radiator cap down, and twist to tighten. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it here. I am going to go ahead and clean up all my mess, since I got stuff everywhere, and I'm going to start cleaning her up. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I really do hope you enjoyed. If you have any other questions or want to see something else, let me know. Send me a private message on Facebook, anything like that. Thanks guys. Have a good one.